Greetings, thank you for coming to my channel. I am Beauty ETC. I am a makeup artist. I'm a makeup enthusiast and I love all things beauty. In this video, we're going to be talking about makeup storage. This is not for me to show off the makeup I have. I don't believe in those kind of things. You don't have to see everything I have. Really, what benefit is that going to do for you? Nothing. But what will benefit you if you have a lot of makeup or you're building your makeup is how to store it, because I have had this challenge and I want to show you what I have done, what I did, and what I'm now doing to store my makeup. So that is what this is about. Without wasting time, please watch this video. If you have your own ideas, I am open to your own ideas. I would love to hear from you, what you think, what are you using. This is not the IKEA Alex 52 or whatever. Those are too expensive. Me, I'm cheap. I am cheap. I'm about, saving my money and letting my money do the best it needs to do. Okay, stretching that dollar, stretching my money. Okay, because I don't have sugar daddy. I don't have that. I work hard for my money. So alright, without talking too much, if you enjoy this content, please subscribe. Please leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And click on the notification bell so that every time I release a video, you see it, you get it, you tap into the goodness, the value that I'm giving to you. Let's go to the next clip and let's see how I organize my makeup. In this video, I will be talking about how I organize all my makeup items. This is what this video is about, and I thought no other better opportune time to share this part of my life with you guys and help you in case you're thinking of how to store your makeup or any other thing. Okay, it's always good to stay organized. Okay, hello. So I'm showing you the bottom part. This is a 5-shelf bookshelf from Target. $35 when I got it, so very cost effective. It has 3 big spaces. Like, this is big, it's this big. You can store things. This is the same, this is the same, and then the 2 at the top, which I will show you, are the smaller ones. As you can see, these are the smaller ones. I'm looking in my monitor. If I'm looking at you, I'm sorry. So these are the first 2 are smaller, and then the last 3 are bigger. And this is how I organize, especially my eyeshadow palettes. If you don't stay organized, you will not remember all the stuff that you have, and they will expire and you will not use them. I have these containers that I also utilize, and these are the Bright Room stackable trays. They are plastic and they look like this. This is how thick it is, not how thick, how tall it is. Very great, and they are stackable. That's the cool thing about it. They're stackable. And look at what I put in them. I put things like my face powders, blushes, things that are round and flat like this, and I can easily see them and I can use them. Fits perfectly into, not perfectly, just a half an inch out. So it fits perfectly in here, like that. Perfectly, look at that. And it's stackable. So I use this to put my lip products in. And that's what I did with this. I wanted to show you that you can stack just like so. Isn't this genius? Look at that. Look at this. Thank me later. These are $6 each at Target. And you can stack up and have your lip colors in there. They're like drawers and they look so cool. Wait till I have them all organized. I also have another container that looks like so. So this I got for, it's Bright Room. Okay, so when you're looking on Target, look for Bright Room like that. Very durable. $6 as well. This also fits right there. And guess what I put in there? Foundations. This is also stackable, but my foundations stick out. So, but you can put anything that you want to in these. Anything. You can also get other containers like this for miscellaneous items. These I got from the dollar store And these are, I got them a long time ago, but these are not stackable, so I wouldn't really, these were not too useful. These are just useful on top of something. So the organizational idea is this. This is also from, I think this is from dollar store as well, and this I used to put my skincare in. So I have big palettes, and I was trying to show you smaller palettes. Everybody knows about Juvia's Place, and they have their names, and you can actually, you know, arrange your eyeshadow palettes with the names. That is super exciting. Now, bigger palettes like these, the James Charles, you can actually be creative with them, but I don't like to put my palettes up like this, so they're all going to be flat, but you can be creative with it. So I'm going to do this like this. These are both Morphe palettes. This is the James Charles. Unfortunately, these don't have names on the sleeve, but that's fine. It's still organized. So this looks so good. And then I could put the other bigger palettes on top. Okay, so you could do that. This is something that I got from Michael's. My children actually got this for me for my birthday. So this is next to my five shelf bookshelf behind me. This is also very useful. This is what I had before, and I moved half of them to my studio, and this is in my beauty room. This is also good. I think this was like $20 something for one or something like that, or $35. I can't remember. If you ask me in the comments, I can tell you the exact name of this. I haven't emptied these out yet, so you might be seeing some things in there, but this is what it looks like inside. You have plenty of space for foundations. I used to put my foundations in here, so you have space for foundations in this. This is another alternative. Okay, my children actually assembled this, so it's easy to assemble. All right, you can also put eyeshadows. That's what is in here. You can put eyeshadows in here as well, but as you can see, I can't see the eyeshadows. I have to literally go and look for them, you know. So, but with the shelf, I can actually see the eyeshadows and say, oh, I need to use this eyeshadow. It's just in eyeshadow graveyard. Of organizers that I got from the dollar store, you can put in here, and it has this little sleeve right here, so you can put that right here. See how it goes, and you can put another one right there. You can only put two, you can't put three. Or if you don't want it to hang like that, you can just put it down in there, and you're good to go. So you can do that too. So yeah, that's that. So that's what I was using before I decided to upgrade. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so happy to be able to bring this. Like I said, I'll bring value to your life. Value. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.